This is the first damper rod where I've welded up and machined back the end. You could see I could have done with a little bit of more material on the OD, but it's not actually going to affect the function at all. I've built it up a little higher than it was originally because I'm going to stake the washers, which I've also made in a little differently to the way they were done originally. And the height of this really isn't that significant. That diameter is really just a seating for the top out spring. And let me see if I can grab one of those. Okay, so this is one of the top out springs, and it's a fairly heavy gauge wire. You can see it's got a washer welded onto the top, which is it gets trapped between the nut on the damper rod and the underside of the fork cap. But this literally just sits on here. This just provides a little bit of centering for it. So the next job will be to install the seal, press in the washer, and then stake the washer in place. So I'll get this mounted up in the vise and we'll see what we can do. Okay, so I've popped the seal in place. The next is the washer, and it's a very light press fit, and so we should just be able to tap it in place. There we go. And then I'm just going to stake this edge down in a few places to retain the washer. You know, I don't expect to have to do these seals again. They're going to last for, you know, a decade or more, and I may well have passed the bike on by then. But it'll be up to the next person to decide how they want to replace them again. If I just stake it in a few places, then they've got the option of just machining that staking out, popping the washer out, changing the seal, replacing the washer, and then they'll still have material available to restake it. Okay, let's have a go at this. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. I think that's a success. So all I've got to do now is repeat the process on the other damper tube, weld it up, machine it back, and install the seals, and then the forks can go completely together.